Hey, what up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video editing tutorial I'm going to show you how to do a smoke effect to your videos. And Premiere Pro is a lot better with the masking. I did try to do it in Sony Vegas, which it turned out badly, so I'm just going to show you how to do it. If you want to go down in detail to figure out how to get it perfectly to my video or how your video is, but I'm sticking with Premiere Pro for future on videos to edit. It is just a way better software. Let's get going. So you want to turn the blend mode to screen, and you can easily move it around, kind of get it right in the middle of where the smoke is coming out, kind of like right. Let's move it over just a little bit. Maybe right there. It's actually perfect. Okay. Then you can click this little free pen tool and just kind of go around the cup, the bottom of the cup. And you see where it cut off the outside of the video? You can't see it no more. And you can just click on that. And it kind of looks like it's actually coming out of the cup, which is actually kind of cool. This can be the Premiere ending. Let's go over to Sony Vegas. Okay guys, we're over in Sony Vegas, and this is what I was kind of talking about, is you can change the blend mode to a screen. You can easily just go up to it, but you can't see the background, and that's what's kind of hard. All you see is the black screen. Even if I did change it to transparent, it still would bring up a black screen. I've already tried that with the chroma key. Still did nothing. So what you're gonna just have to do is switch over to Premiere Pro. You can get it for $20-30 a month if you apply a student loan or a student fee, and it's only $30 a month. Or you can find a way to get it for free. Wink wink. But that's pretty much better than Sony Vegas. I've been using Sony Vegas for past couple of years, and right after this guy, I will link his channel in the description, showed me this. So much easier and so much way better in Premiere Pro. But that's as much as you're going to be able to get unless you want to go down in detail to figure out how to like move it around. Go back to this, just keep on backing out of it and playing it, backing out, playing it. It's not really going to be good. But guys, just get Premiere Pro. Peace out guys, see you in the next video.